Hi everyone, how are you today? I hope you're having a wonderful day. Today I am here and I'm really excited. Well, I'm here, yes. But I'm here with you to share the November Sips By box. Now, I haven't done a Sips By unboxing in quite some time, and that's just because I did a really large tea haul. I think it was at the end of August. I can't remember when I did that, but basically I had a lot of tea, so I took a couple months off from the subscription to drink up some of my tea. But I wanted to get it again this month, and I'm really excited to have it. If you're unfamiliar with Sips By, it is a $15 a month tea service. You take a profile and they send you a curated box just for you based on your taste preferences, and they have usually been a good job for me, and I think that it's only gotten better over time, you know, as I've rated more teas. So let's go ahead and open her on up. First thing you see on the inside is a little paper that says November teas on it, and on this side is a description of all the teas they sent you, along with like little discount codes if you want to order from the actual tea website and such. Then on the very top, there is this little baggie if you get loose leaf, because you can opt to only get tea bags. If you get loose leaf, they send you this. This is a reusable muslin tea bag. And then on the inside, there are single-use tea bags for loose leaf tea. These are super duper handy. I love having them. I have my normal tea steepers usually, but sometimes those are like all in the wash, and I love having just little compostable paper bags to use. Very, very handy. Okay, let's get into this. I love my tea. I'm actually already drinking tea. And I probably will taste test one of these. It's just the way my life is. I'm always drinking tea, especially when it's cold. Okay, the first thing I see is several packages of an English breakfast. So this is the Walters Bay Growers of Premium Ceylon tea. Actually, I don't know how to pronounce that. I've always said Ceylon in my mind. Someone, if you know, tell me if that's right. This is their English breakfast. I always rate black tea pretty high from Sips By. I like it when they send me black tea. I've been on a black tea kick for a couple years now, where I just really enjoy black tea. For a while, all I wanted was green tea. I don't know. I've switched over to black tea. Ooh, yay, I'm so happy. Whenever they send me another chai, it just makes my day. This is called Chai Me at Home. A masala chai blend. It's from a brand called One Stripe Chai Company. I've never tried this brand before. I love trying different blends of chai. My favorite blends are ones that are very spicy, with lots of black pepper and such in it. This one has black tea, green cardamom, black peppercorn, and ginger. That actually has less ingredients than a lot of other chais that I've had, but it does include black peppercorns, which makes me happy. All right, let's see what else. Here's a little vacuum sealed package from Leaf of the East. This is GABA tea from Taiwan. Okay, that's very interesting. I have never tried GABA tea. I don't even know what that is. Let's see what the little description says about GABA tea. It says this is a deeply relaxing and satisfying tea. It has already been aged for approximately 3 years. As it matures, its flavor develops and its value as a tea also increases. So I wonder then if it's similar to pu'er, but you'd think they would call it pu'er. I'm gonna have to look up some more information about this one. That's really interesting. Then we have a package of matcha. Yes, I just finished my last package of single serve matcha. I've been making myself a matcha latte almost every day, and I'm all out of matcha now. So this makes me so happy. I have some more matcha. This is from the brand Ocha and Company, and it is a Japanese brand, which is really cool. And that makes sense. That's where matcha is from. It says that this contains 4 2-gram packets. So I just kind of want to see the packages here. Oh, perfect. This is a little single serve package. That's exactly what I like to use in my matcha lattes. Yes, so happy I don't have to repurchase more matcha. They sent me some. They sent me all the things that I like most. Black tea, chai tea, and matcha. And then one thing that I don't know what it is. I'm really interested to try this. So as always, I like to try one of the teas in these videos, and I think I have to go with the GABA just because I don't know what it is. I'm gonna look on their website and see if they have more information, and I'll be right back with you guys. Enjoy the tea steeping. Okay, I'm back with my beautiful little steaming cup of tea. I don't know if you can see it steaming. Maybe you can't. It's beautiful though. It smells sweet. I have to read you guys the description of this because it is so interesting. So GABA, G-A-B-A, it's a relatively new class of tea that's developed in Japan. The acronym stands for gamma aminobutyric acid. So to make this style of tea, the freshly picked leaves are placed in a stainless steel cylinder. The oxygen is removed and replaced with nitrogen. It's then heated to just over 100 degrees Fahrenheit for about 8 hours. This process produces high concentrations of natural GABA. So this tea, it's made with extra science. That's so interesting. I don't know what gamma aminobutyric acid is supposed to do. Ooh, looking, it says gamma aminobutyric acid is calming. So they recommend this as like a late afternoon or even evening tea. How interesting. I love finding new things. Okay, it smells really good and sweet. Like it smells kind of like how white tea smells to me, but with more body. All right, I'm going in. So keep in mind, this is the very first steep. It may taste a little different upon the second or third steepings, which I'm definitely gonna do with this, but this really reminds me at the moment of white tea with notes of like sweet grass and honeydew melon. I would have had a hard time picking out that taste myself, but it's in the description and I agree with it. They also say brown sugar. At the moment, I'm not really getting brown sugar, but it is definitely sweet. All I know is that I really like it. I love this style of tea. All right, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope your tea was delicious as well today. I will see you in my next video. Bye!